Shenzhen Elanda Commercial Equipment Company Limited was founded in 2016. Located in Shenzhen, China. We are a high-tech company for POS machine and peripheral equipment. We focus on research, development, and product manufacturing of touch ePOS. Our products are widely used in various industries, such as finance, medical services, sports, recreation, retail, and hospitality, and won a number of customers worldwide. Elanda established a modern industrial factory with advanced production line and QC equipments, support large and urgent order. Elanda have a very experienced products research team to develop more popular products for our own brand. We have at least 2 new models in 1 year. At the same time, is also actively undertaking a large number of ODM and OEM productions for some large and well-known companies in this industry. Elanda has become one of the popular brand in POS machine industry. We provide stable and reliable quality, competitive quotation, patient after-sale service, and OEM service. We will continue to have a win-win attitude with our customers to create a brilliant future together. Elanda adhere to the spirits of honesty, dedication, innovation, win-win cooperation, supply professional service for customers, supply chances for employees, and return society. Our aim is to be a leading manufacturer in touch POS field.